Today I will show you how to do this in Bannerlord without wasting your time. So I did this in Bannerlord 1.3.7, but it will work in every version as long as you follow this video properly. So first download and install mod called Character Manager. If you don't know how to install mods, then just search how to mod Bannerlord for beginners and you are good to go. So after installing the mod, open Character Encyclopedia by pressing N, then go to your character. If the mod was installed correctly, you will see these options, so just save your character, and then at the bottom left you will see the path that text file was saved on, so just go to the location and open it. Then scroll down to the skills data and change the skill.name value to the desired value. I did 999 because that doesn't break the game for me, and for simplicity I will put this data in my pinned comments or just the description. So just delete this data from your file and then copy paste the data I will be providing, as it will be much easier than typing manually. Then scroll further down until you see the perk data, delete it and then copy paste the data I provided in my description or the pinned comments. It will unlock all skills for you. Then save the txt file, then go back to the game and load the character from the encyclopedia, and boom, you now have 1000 stat man. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If this video helped you, then like and subscribe, because I plan to make more of these quick modding tutorials for several games. Now go and enjoy your mod. Like and subscribe right now or else